away from me.
Do you need any sort of assistance?
Hey, stop and get the away.
Pick up your garbage.
Littering?
Yep. Man, you're being detained.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
On June 24th, 2025, Boynton Beach police responded to a Publix supermarket in Palm Beach County, Florida.
How about you pick up the litter? Not interested in you. Get the away from me. Not interested. Call Trump. You're the one coming up to me. Ugly.
I'm here to talk to you.
I don't want your help. I don't like you. Get the away from me.
Are you doing okay?
Leave me the alone. I'm not littering. I'm picking up my trash. It's got embarrassing because I'm on video. So get the away from me. What's your name? Oh, Fender.
Nah, Fender actually.
Oh, Fender. Like a fish? You look like a flounder.
All right. Do you need any sort of assistance? Hey,
stop and get the away.
Pick up your garbage.
I'm littering?
Yep.
Now I'm littering.
Pick up
you
your garbage.
think it's funny? How about you take it?
Okay. Man, you're being detained.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Relax. You need to relax.
Okay.
I'm here to talk to you to figure out what's going on.
Stop.
And you just threw a box at me.
I said box. I threw a box. Stop doing that.
Stop.
Stop. Call my uncle. Trump. Trump. What did I do? What did I do?
Hey, stop.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You stop.
I didn't do anything wrong. Ow! I didn't do anything wrong. Please stop.
Stop. Right
Please
now.
stop. I didn't do anything wrong. Ow!
Stop.
Okay.
Relax your arms right now.
I am trying to. Oh my gosh.
No, you're not. You're resisting.
This is hurting me. Please,
You are
I'm going
resisting.
through a lot.
I
Please,
understand.
stop.
You need to calm down.
Okay, please let me go and talk to you. Oh, no! Oh!
Man.
Stop! I'm sitting! I'm sitting! I'm sitting! Please! Trump, help me! Help! Help! Please, I didn't do anything! I didn't do anything!
You need to calm down.
Ow! Ow! Elon! Elon! Elon!
You need help.
Help me!
You need help. Give me a hand.
Help me!
This is very sweaty.
Help me!
Come on, help.
No! What the f***? I didn't do anything! Please don't do it! I didn't do anything!
Stop. Relax.
I didn't do anything! I bought my food! Help me! I can't breathe! I didn't do anything wrong! No!
Listen, you're not going.
Trump! Trump!
Very slick.
Trump! They're hurting me! Trump! I can't breathe! He's hurting me!
If you sit up, you need to calm down.
He's hurting me! Elon! 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 Elon!
Calm down.
Elon!
Are you calling for Elon?
Elon!
All right. You need
Elon!
14, still need 1033.
Elon!
stand up.
What the f*** is going on? I didn't do anything wrong! Stop touching me!
What do you have? So,
Copy 66 1033, normal traffic at 1817.
She in my face. She threw a box.
I didn't throw a box at your face!
Box, and she said
I bought my food!
She threw the box at me
and I'm walking to find my... I'm walking home. Ow! Ow!
Get up against the car.
Take my glasses off! Oh, they're hurting me! Ow. Take my glasses off!
What's your first name?
Oh, they're breaking my wrist! Oh, they're breaking my wrist!
What's
This time I'm going to read your rights, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence...
Am I getting put in behind bars?
Let me finish.
Please not, Mr.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning.
Okay.
If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be your own free will. Any statement can be and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand your rights as I've read them?
I understand, Mr. Shaw.
Okay. My partners are going to come over here and ask you some questions a little bit, okay?
So, we got a call about you acting erratically, banging on car windows, preventing cars from leaving. You want to shed any light on that?
Not sure.
You're not sure?
I just had like Alex, there was like Alex, said something about calling the police, and I was just trying to get my drinks, because I'm trying to look for Celsius and Coca-Cola.
Signal 2 or 57?
I haven't got there yet.
So I was just buying drinks so I can go ahead and figure that out. I'm not living at my dad's house. I'm living in the back.
Have you had any narcotics today or any alcoholic beverages?
No.
No? Okay, you diagnosed any mental illness?
No.
Signal 38.
No,
Take what? What's that for? Okay, so you have a mental illness then?
No, I get it.
Okay. So what was the reason that when the officer went to make contact with you, you started acting erratically?
Because I've just not been interested in talking to people lately. I've just been isolating myself because I don't like my father.
Okay.
And I'm waiting for my mom's the one that dropped me off.
And you started talking about calling Elon Musk?
Yeah, Elon.
Do you know Elon Musk?
Yes.
Personally? Do you have his phone number?
No, not personally, but I just hypothetically, if you want to understand. I was gonna walk back.
Step out.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna pat you down real quick just to make sure that
Yeah, they're just being okay.
Oh, sir.
Good. Have a seat. Have a seat.
I'm sitting down.
Have a seat. Up there. Put
And
your
I know
legs in.
Ivanka too.
What's that?
Ivanka.
What's that?
That's what I thought. It's fine.
Ivanka Trump. You know Elon Musk and Ivanka Trump? Okay.
I just want to be able to, can you give me a ride home? I mean, I don't mind walking.
No, you're under arrest at this point.
How am I under arrest?
For resisting arrest.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I have work. Please don't do this to me.
Where's Fender?
Please, Mr. Domino. Please. I was just trying to buy my groceries and go home. I live right over there. I live behind that. Please, I wasn't doing anything wrong. I won't say anything. I just want to leave. Please. 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 Please.
Okay, that's fine.
Please, I just want to walk back over to where I live, please. You can call my... my mom. That was who was dropped me off, was my mom. My mom dropped me off. And I would...
So you're going to go to a hospital with Fender?
I don't need to go to a hospital, please. Elon! Elon!
vapes in there, but
Dad!
Swing by department.
Please let me out. I'm so sorry.
No, ma'am.
I'll verify.
Before we get going, what's your first name? Alright, thank you.
Hey, do me a favor, can you turn this left?
This way.
Yeah, I would just need to.
Go ahead.
pictures of-
10 vehicle 4266, I'm on Yellow Bravo 11.
Can you look forward? Can you look forward?
I'm looking for it.
Okay, thank you. You can have a picture if you're back in.
Swing your feet in.
I didn't do anything wrong. Look what
Swing
you
your
guys
feet
did
in.
to me.
We're gonna go get you some treatment.
No, I don't need treatment.
Put your feet in the car.
I have work.
Put your legs in the car.
You,
Put your legs in.
I'm in. I didn't do anything wrong to you. Why are you doing this to me? Why? I'm scared. I don't know these ones.
Alright, we're at the hospital. We're at the hospital.
Look, they put their hands on me.
We're at the hospital. Come on, let's go.
Oh my God! I'm going to the hospital. I don't need to be in the
We're
hospital.
here to get you help. Come
I
on.
don't need help. Okay? Look
Let's
what they're
go.
doing.
Come on.
I
We're
don't
at the
need
hospital.
help. Thank you very much. I don't need help. Okay? I don't need help. I don't need help. Wait till Biden hears about this. Oh, Biden! Biden! Oh! Oh, look what they're doing. Wait till they're gonna know your name. They're gonna know your name. Look what they're doing. They're gonna know your name. They're gonna know your name. Oh, stop pushing me down! Stop! Oh, they're breaking my arm! Elon! Oh! That's Elon's, that's the short term for Elon Musk is O. Wait till they hear about it. Do you mind letting go of my arm? Ow! What the Do you mind? Do you mind? My shirt's falling down. Do you mind? Do you mind? Stop. I didn't do anything besides go to Publix and get Coca-Cola. No, I don't need medical clearance. Thank you very much. You're the one hurting me. I did nothing wrong besides buy Coca-Cola, and I'm working for them. Yes, call Coca-Cola. I'm working for them. You're in big trouble. Big trouble. Wasn't resisting you at all. Wasn't resisting you at all.
Okay. Ma'am, do you have any allergies, anything?
No, I have no allergies.
Alright.
I take because I get anxiety.
How tall are you?
5'9".
How much do you weigh?
I'm about 130 pounds.
Go ahead.
Orange.
Just 14, 5425 so far. Gonna attempt to make contact at 215 West Summerfield.
I'm looking at orange.
How tall did you say you are?
5'9".
And how much do you weigh?
Bravo 4.
Like 130 pounds.
Name of the caller.
Did you take any or drink any?
Nope, I've been clean and sober since I've been to White Sands.
I'm just gonna clean your knee, honey, okay?
It's stinging. Can we just
It's
wait?
just water. That's all.
I know, but it's fine. You don't need to clean it.
Well, we do because I have to make sure.
I didn't do that to myself. I didn't do that. It's gonna sting. It's gonna
Honey,
burn.
it's literally just water. It's not gonna
I know,
sting.
but
It's just water.
Byron, BB,
She got the info to register.
She did.
BB,
Yeah.
red rum.
So is it just safer usually?
I don't know if it's ETOH.
I got Uber. I got Uber. I can take Uber.
Like upset and everything.
I can take Uber. I got Uber to get myself back. Thank you very much.
We'll just get her bracelet and we'll bring you to her room.
Okay, cool.
I don't need a room. I have a room. Thanks. Red rum.
And then we can take him to her room. Really? Wi-Fi?
BB.
I don't know. That's always. And you said there wasn't like.
Seesaw. Seesaw.
No, nothing like that.
Seesaw. 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 It's code.
It's code?
Yeah, it's code.
Code for what?
You wouldn't know.
What's the code?
You're
Morse
not
code?
a military. Yeah, there is. My dad's middle name, Presidents.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah.
Your dad's the president?
No, but in my family tree.
Gotcha.
Look what they did to me.
Alright, we'll bring you back there. They're probably printed.
Look at Orange Ridge. Look at Orange Ridge.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Look at Orange Ridge. Biden. I can't go that way. Call my mom. You think it's funny?
Keep walking.
Mom! No, not mom. Biden! I don't need to be in a hospital with men! Stop! You're hurting me!
Alright. Well, I will let Robert know you guys are here, alright?
I think they all know we're here.
Yeah, you're right.
Take these off of me, please. Take these off of me, please. Elon Musk, Musk.
That's okay, guys.
What hospital am I at?
Bethesda.
Bethesda, Musk. Bethesda, Musk. Musk, Bethesda. My phone, I can Uber myself home. Thank you very much. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my cell phone? Where's my bag? Where's my cell phone so I can Uber home? Where's my cell phone so I can Uber
Take the rest of
home?
your stuff.
Where's my cell phone so I can...
Sit
Look what they're doing! I hope you get this on recording.
It is.
Where's my cell phone so I can Uber home, please? My arms hurt.
I just talked to Mama. You diagnosed with bipolar?
No. I mean, like, I was 4 years ago, but I don't take for it anymore.
That's probably why you're acting the way you're acting. Because you're not taking your
I don't need to take anything besides what my mom gives me, I guess. Or I take that at night.
Yeah, Mama says you're diagnosed with bipolar. And she doesn't know the last time you took your medicine. So it would make sense why you're acting the way you're acting, because what she said is that you get very oppositional. Do you know what that means? No?
I'm having a conversation with you.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
Yeah. You get very oppositional. So she said if you're going to be like that, you're on your own, because you live right across from Publix. You live in Floral Park, right?
Yes.
Okay. So she said you're on your own, and you went on your own.
I went to go find her.
I got you.
Wait, what else?
Bipolar.
What else did she say?
I told her where you are.
Yeah.
I told her what's going to happen, and she said okay, just to keep her informed. You interacted before, correct?
That was when I didn't have contacts in, and I was on the wrong.
How many times have you been interacted?
Well, I was on the wrong.
Multiple times?
No,
though?
it was one time because I was dating the wrong guy.
How many times have you been to
Twice. But I'm clean. You can check my pee.
4 times, according to Mama.
Well, that was because I was on.
When's the last time you've done any?
I didn't. You can check my pee. I don't do.
I'm just asking.
I can't remember the last time because I don't do.
That was your choice? Or,
No.
I'm sorry.
It was, but I'm not on and haven't been on.
Any other?
No, I've never done any other. What did my mom say?
Well, Mom wants us to correct you.
No way, please, that's not fair. I don't talk to her. Like
Well, here's what I told Mama.
yeah.
I said, what's not fair
Yeah.
is people that have this don't just get to break the law.
Don't get to what?
Break the law?
I didn't break the law.
So she's understanding of what's going on. She knows where you are, so.
Should I speak more about what happened? I was buying Coca-Cola and the box just came undone. And I just got mad that box came undone. I didn't throw the whole box of well, did they see the cams?
Yeah, we did. Why are you getting mad at your mom?
I wasn't mad at my mom wasn't there.
No. She said that you were getting oppositional with her. And she just dropped you off at Publix and said, go be on your own.
No, she didn't say go be on your own. Did she leave? Is that what she did? She left?
Yeah, she said you could walk home. You live right there.
Yeah, I didn't mind. I just walked.
So,
I don't really like that.
but what between Chipotle and Publix, what happened?
I was driving with her in the car.
Yeah,
I was driving with her in the car to Chipotle.
did you get mad at her for something?
No. I went in, got my Chipotle, and then I needed groceries for my fridge, and I ended up getting I ended up getting drinks.
I got you.
Instead. Sorry. So and then I ended up getting more paper, because I do a lot of work on my phone, like social media.
Gotcha.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Legal questions under Florida law and the United States Constitution. The initial contact was a lawful investigatory stop under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968. Officers had reasonable, articulable suspicion based on dispatch calls describing erratic behavior, obstruction of vehicles, and a public disturbance. At this stage, no probable cause was required. Reasonable suspicion alone authorized a brief investigatory detention and verbal engagement. When the subject threw an object at the officer, the legal threshold shifted entirely. Probable cause for a felony arrest arose at that moment under Florida Statute Section 784.07, which elevates a standard misdemeanor battery to a third-degree felony, solely because the victim is a sworn officer. The subsequent physical restraint is governed by Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. The Supreme Court held that force must be judged by objective reasonableness, from the perspective of a reasonable officer, on the scene at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. 3 factors govern the analysis: the severity of the underlying offense, whether the subject posed an immediate threat to officers or others, and whether she was actively resisting arrest or attempting to flee. All 3 factors supported the force level employed. No intermediate weapons were used. Restraint was accomplished through physical control techniques only, proportional to the resistance offered by a subject without weapons. A significant evidentiary issue arises from the pre-arrest conversation. Before Miranda warnings were administered, at the 5-minute 49-second mark, the subject made statements that may constitute admissions, including acknowledging that she threw an object at the officer. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966, statements obtained during custodial interrogation, without prior advisement, are presumptively inadmissible in the prosecution's case in chief at trial. Defense counsel will likely file a motion to suppress all pre-warning statements. The Miranda advisement itself was delivered completely and correctly on camera. The subject verbally acknowledged understanding her rights. Post-advisement statements are presumptively admissible and will be available to the prosecution. 3 charges were filed following this incident. First, battery on a law enforcement officer under Section 784.07, a third-degree felony carrying a maximum of 5 years and $5,000. Second, resisting an officer without violence under Section 843.02, a first-degree misdemeanor carrying a maximum of 1 year and $1,000. Third, disorderly conduct under Section 877.03, a second-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 60 days and $500. Combined maximum exposure with penalties stacked, more than 6 years of incarceration, and more than $6,000 in fines. Independently of the criminal charges, the Baker Act transport was lawfully initiated. Under Florida Statute Section 394.463, officers may authorize involuntary examination when a person with mental illness appears likely to cause harm to themselves or others, as evidenced by recent behavior. Here, the subject's documented delusional ideation, disorganized speech, and confirmed diagnosis, 2 of bipolar disorder with medication noncompliance, satisfied the statutory threshold independently of any criminal charges. Under Florida law, Baker Act proceedings and criminal prosecution may proceed concurrently. The officers in this encounter receive a B+. Miranda was administered on camera, correctly, and before any substantive questioning. Baker Act transport was appropriately initiated. Officers contacted the subject's mother, gathered collateral psychiatric history, and communicated that information back to the subject, a practice consistent with crisis intervention team training standards. Minor lapses in professional communication prevent a higher grade. The subject receives a C+. Prior to throwing an object at the officer, she retained the legal right to decline engagement entirely. That single act produced the primary felony charge and determined the trajectory of the entire legal situation that followed. Her mental health status is a legitimate mitigating factor for defense counsel at sentencing, but it does not negate the elements of the charged offenses. The Boynton Beach Police Department receives a B. The response demonstrated practices consistent with crisis intervention team protocols, recognizing psychiatric indicators, pursuing Baker Act transport, and requesting a female officer at the hospital. The absence of confirmed CIT dispatch protocols for calls flagged as mental health-related canceling prevents a higher institutional grade. 3 lessons emerge from this encounter. First, the right to refuse police engagement is constitutionally protected, but throwing any object at a sworn officer during a lawful contact constitutes a felony under Florida Statute Section 784.07, regardless of the object's weight. Second, statements made before Miranda warnings are subject to suppression regardless of content. Citizens who speak during the contact phase, before a formal arrest, and before advisement may provide prosecutors with evidence that a court subsequently excludes. Third, psychiatric history disclosed after arrest, even through a third party, can meaningfully affect both the prosecution's charging decisions and the court's sentencing calculus. Medication compliance is not merely a medical issue, it is a legal variable with direct consequences. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.